Welcome back guys. Today we are going to discuss the basic concepts, means core concepts to building the AI agents. At this point I am assuming that you have not built any AI agent previously, so you only have idea about Pythons just a little bit. So first of all we will see what is type annotation, like what is type dictionary, union, optional, any. You know that dictionary consists of key value pairs. Let's create a dictionary with the name student, and it has two key values, like one is name. Name either will be, for example I'm saying name will be Ali, and it has age, maybe age has 50 for example. Now the age will be string or maybe integer. User don't have any idea about that. Let me just run it, and let's just print the student. It says student has name has Ali, and age is 40. Although dictionary allows efficient data retrieval, but it does not ensure particular structure of data. Like we are confused that age either will be string or integer, so some user may mistakenly type like 40. So we don't have any idea about that. We can say that simple dictionary does not provide any hint. So means it is a challenge. To tackle that challenge, we will use type dictionary to building the agents. So how to use it? First of all, we need to import it. I'm saying from typing import type dictionary, and here we are going to create a class student, and it is inherited from type dictionary. I'm saying student has some name maybe, and name will be string type, and it has age, and age will be of integer type. Here we create student class, and student is inherited from type dictionary, and here there is a clear that name will be of string type and age will be of integer type. But in this dictionary there is not explicitly mentioned that name will be string type or age will be integer type. So it means simple dictionary will create problems, maybe runtime errors in future when we will build large projects. So that's why we use type dictionary. It is good example to understand simple dictionary and type dictionary. So consider it, this box is created using dictionary, and this box is created using type dictionary. In this there is no hint provided like age will be of integer type or string type or float type, but here there is mentioned that age will be of integer type. So in building AI agent we use type dictionary a lot. So how to use it? First of all, I will create instance of student, and here the name will be string type. It will be, I'm saying Ali, and it has age will be 34 for example. Let's run. It is saying name is Ali and age is 34. There is another type annotation, and that is union. Let me just paste the code. Here I am importing union from typing, and there is a function addition, and in this there is a parameter x. X will be union of both integer or float, means x will be either integer or float, and here we are simply returning x plus 2. Let me just first of all run it, and we call the function addition, and if I pass maybe 3, let's run it, print 5, means 3 plus 2 is 5, and if I call it again maybe 3.4, now it is float data type. Let's run it. It is 5.4. In this addition function we only allowed to pass integer value and float value. We are not allowed to pass, for example, string value. And there is another type annotation, that is optional. Let me just paste the code. Here from typing we import optional, and there is a function greet, and there is a parameter name. Name is optional string, mean it either will be string or none. So if name is none, it will print hello guest, else it will print hello name. So let's call the greet function, and let me just pass Ali here. Let's run it. It print hello Ali. Let's call the greet function again, and this time I will pass none. It is saying hello guest. Optional is basically similar to union. Either it will be string or none. Alternatively, we can write it as union, and we know that it is union of string and none. So either you can write it this way or this way. These both are same. So instead of writing none here, we simply type optional and string. So user can pass name maybe, or does not pass the name. It is optional. And there is another data type, that is any. Any means all data types are allowed. Means in name we can pass string, integer, float. So let's revise the code again. So here is the type dictionary. Basically type dictionary allow us to define our own data structure. Here there is a hint that name will be of string type, age will be of integer type. And here union provide flexibility, means our data type will be either of more than one type. Like for example, let me just copy it, and here I am saying that our age will be union of integer and string. Now age will be of either integer type and string type, means both data types are allowed. In this way you can use the union. We will see in next videos how to use this. And there is an optional. Optional mean either string or none values is allowed. If I change from string to integer, it means integer or none value is allowed. And there is any. Any means all data types are allowed. At this point I believe you understand the basic concepts of Python, and if you have any confusion, then don't worry, we'll use type dictionary and union a lot in upcoming videos, and we'll discuss it again. So have a great day guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.